Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm doing box braids on my sister's hair, and just stay tuned so I can show you how I grip the hair. So you guys, I'm a horrible parter. I learned that if you use edge control across that part, you can get your parts perfect, because they'll keep the hair in place where you need it to be at. So I started doing that as I got to the top, but for right now, don't judge me about my parting. I haven't done box braids in a while. I used to do them on my hair all the time and my daughter's hair. I think I might have done it once, maybe not, I don't know. But I'm going to start off with that section. I use beeswax as kind of like the edge control. I didn't really like it because it didn't give it like a shiny look. So I started to use this different edge control, which I'm going to put in the description box. And it just looked a lot neater. Alright, so this is my section. Then I'm going to break that into a section. I didn't break that up in half. I only took a little bit. And then I'm going to hook it just like that. And those will be my 3 sections, just like you braid with 3 sections. I am going to put that on her hair. And as I'm braiding, I'm separating her hair into the 3 sections so that it can braid right along with the braiding hair. I hope you understand that. Then after I braid a little bit, I'm underhanding it. That way I can tuck her hair underneath and it'll look a lot neater. And it won't look as frizzy, like at least her ends are not poking out and frizzy if you just tuck it underneath. And I'm going to braid underhanded all the way down. Yes, underhanded sometimes takes a little longer than overhanded, but it just looks a lot neater. Now, before I show you again how I do that, I just wanted to go over, we used about maybe 5 packs of hair. She got the packs of hair that it was 100% kanekalon or kanekalon, something like that. However you say that name, I'll put it in the description box. But it had 3 times the hair, so it had like 3 sections or whatever, if you want to say braiding bundles or whatever, in 1 pack. And I think it was about $5 each. And I liked that hair because it was kinkier, so it was easier to blend with her hair. It had that like yucky look. Sometimes if you use the real shiny hair, it doesn't look as neat, or your hair starts to look a lot frizzier than that hair, so you can tell the difference. So I did really like that hair. And I think that's about it with the hair. Yeah, I think that's about it with the hair. Now, I didn't show you guys my feathering technique, but there is hair that you can buy that's already feathered. If you don't know, I think I have a video, so I'll put the link at the top. I think I have a video of me feathering my daughter's hair. So I'll show you what I mean, because you don't want those blunt ends. You want it feathered so it braids down evenly. It's not like this blunt little cut at the bottom. Everybody knows how blunt cut looks on your hair. Like, it doesn't look neat. You want it to kind of get skinnier at the ends. So when you seal it, it looks a lot better. Now I'm going to show you guys again. I connected that. That's 1 section, that's the 2nd, and that's the 3rd. That's why when I sectioned the 1 section I already had, I just took a little bit from it, because it's basically like 2 sections put together, and you don't want one, section bigger than the other. So I hope I explained that right again. But I'm just braiding that onto her hair. I just kind of took her hair and braided it like I normally would, even if she didn't have the weave. I just broke it into those 3 sections, just like I did the braiding hair. Then I'm going to tuck it under. So I'm going to underhand it after that. so that I can tuck her hair underneath, and it looks a lot neater. Also, it's best if you're dealing with girls that are natural that you stretch their hair, whether it's blow drying or flat ironing it a little bit. It's easier to work with and their hair is not curling up around it. So just keep that in mind. It just looks a lot neater. There goes my sections again, and I'm just braiding it onto her hair. And while I'm braiding it, I'm putting her hair in those 3 sections. And then I'm just going to continue to braid just a little bit, and then I'm going to underhand it. Now just practice with the underhanding. Sometimes it can get confusing if you braid overhanded. It does kind of get confusing, but if you just trust your hands, sometimes your hands think faster than your mind. That's how I feel. And when I wasn't thinking about it, I braided just fine. I actually braid overhanded and underhanded. I've always, but normally if I'm braiding over or underhanded, I don't do it that long. So trust me, I wanted to go back overhanded quickly, but I braided that underhanded all the way down. All right, you guys, I am done. It took us about 7 hours. I did seal the ends with hot water. And as you can see, the ends got smaller. Like I said, you don't want that blunt look. And excuse me with the camera. You don't want that blunt look. You just kind of want it to get skinnier as it goes down, if that makes sense. It's all about feathering. Like I said, I'll leave a link at the top if I do have a video, and I'm pretty sure I do have a video of me feathering my daughter's hair. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry this wasn't more detailed, but the next time I will. It was just I was trying to get used to doing the box braids again. But thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting, and I appreciate all your guys' likes and comments. See you later.
I won't let